The police are on the hunt for six females involved in the beating of a 17-year-old female at a party. The doctor have stated that she have 1% chance of living. Hi again and welcome. This is Links W7 TV Let's Talk, and we'll discuss the details of this to come on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links W7 TV. Let's talk. We ask you please remember like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so you're notified whenever we post new videos. What a situation that happened to this 17-year-old girl, and she is said to be in a very serious state based on complications she developed from a beating incident that took place at an illegal party that was being held. So the police have stated now, and this is the latest update that we have to bring to you, that they have taken two of the females into custody, and we're going to bring you up to date as it relates to what transpired leading up to the whole entire situation that unfolded. So the party was being held without a permit, and this took place in Barbican Road, Kingston on the 7th of November. So the police have stated that the 17-year-old female and a 29-year-old female were also beaten and also stabbed by a group of individuals that were at the party, which include six females. So they were taken to hospital where the teen was admitted in critical condition, and that would have been the 17-year-old female, on the other female treated and released. So the police have provided an update stating that a 33-year-old and another who is believed to be 26-year-old turned themselves over to the police on Friday. But the police are still appealing to the others that are out there just in order to turn themselves in, as a number of threats have been issued from the general public. This incident that transpired here was just so unfortunate, which has left a mother totally in shock and a country in total dismay based on the development that came out of this and what really led to the whole entire situation escalating to this extent. It is stemming from just someone looking at another female, and it's led to them being beaten severely by these set of females. And I can tell you that the situation that played out here was just one that could have been avoided, and it just goes to show you that the level of moral breakdown in our society and the way people think and the way they believe that they should live their life. I can't see how people try to live their life in such a way, in the case of the simplest thing, that they resort to violent acts of hurting someone, and then in the end this situation was one that is very sad. And when you look on the state of the female and the way she was left, is one of those situations that left the mother, Venicia Buckle, in tears when she did a post. So she is very surprised and she is very shocked about the whole entire development. She said that her daughter was a courageous and a girl that loves to laugh. She was a student at the University of the West Indies, and she had her plans for a bright future ahead of her. And now this is all shattered based on what transpired on this night. Buckle said that she came home from work, and when she got the chilling news, she instantly went to the hospital just in order to saw her daughter Kylan unconscious. She did a post as it relates to what she heard happen, and we're just going to bring you up to date with this. So what we're told is that they were at the party and these females saw them looking at them, and an altercation then developed, which then turned into a physical fight between the set of female, and they were gang upon by six female. It is said that one of them used a alcoholic beverage bottle to lick one of the females in her head, and she became unconscious. Then the others set up on her, and she was stabbed, she was stamped on, and she was kicked in the head numerous amount of times before she became unconscious. Now she's in the hospital and she is unable to communicate or even do any form of expression per se, and the doctors have stated that she only have 1% chance of living. But during the publication of this report, we were reliably informed that she had waken up from the coma, which is very good. However, her speech is still blur, and even though as the doctors attempt to try further treatment, it's still unclear whether or not she'll be able to walk or whether or not her speech will totally be regained. But what transpired here is a situation really needs to be looked into, and I'm just using my platform to appeal to these females just to turn themselves in, because what they did was uncalled for and it was unjust. So I'm just hoping that they do turn themselves in before the other people or the public in general get a hold of them, because right now the public is very angry about this situation, because what transpired here should never have happened, and it was just over a simple situation that could have been talked out. But we'll try our very best to keep you up to date with this one though. But this situation is just so sad. The family have also launched a GoFundMe page as well, and they will try our best to just keep you up to date with that as well. But as it stands right now, we'll just leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're just hoping that the rest of these females just turn themselves into the police before the situation get really worse. I'm out for this one. Thanks for watching Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Peace out. Bless.